You have a boost charge of 15 amps, the battery type from standard to HEM or a shell battery. You have a reconditioning mode. Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you a quick review of the Harbor Freight Viking 2 to 15 amp battery charger. So let's go. This is the Viking 2, 8 and 15 amp boost charge automatic battery charger, 12 volts from Harbor Freight. I have it here attached to my tractor battery, and the cords are about 6 foot long, nice heavy gauge cords. I would say they are about 8 gauge. Specs I will put on the screen, and also a high flexible power cord, also about 6 foot long, that you can have it outside or inside your garage and charge your batteries. Here now the detail view of the battery charger. You have here on the side the charge button. When you click on it, the display will come on and you will see the current state. Then on this side you have the amperage selector from 2 amp trickle charge when you have it on standby in your garage. Then you have an 8 amp quick charge, that's the normal charging mode. And then you have a boost charge of 15 amps. This is when the battery is very low and you have to use your equipment, your car, that you put it in the boost charge, and then it will ramp up your battery. And you have here this selector switch that you can go in auto. Normally I have it in auto for the standard battery. Then you have a 2 amp when she is very deep and you want to give it back some charge. Then 8 amp, that's a standard, or then the 15 amp as the boost charge. So normally you put it in auto and then you press the charge button and it will charge. It will show you the current capacity where it is, then the standard or the type of battery. Currently that's a normal standard lead battery here on that tractor. And it will then also show you the voltage in one digit, so 12.6 volts. Then on that side you can choose the battery type from standard to HEM or a shell battery, HEM battery or shell battery. Let me go back to standard. Then also you have a winter mode, and it shows that snowflake. So the level from 14.4 as the shutoff voltage will be lower because of the cold temperatures, that you don't damage the batteries. It's now full, so we go back with that. And also you have a reconditioning mode, and this is what I like very much on that charger, that the battery can go in repair. So it will desulfate the battery, and she has now, or after that, she has a higher capacity. And it will show you on the screen, battery in repair now. And when the battery is good, that takes only a few minutes. When she's bad, that takes several hours to finish. And important for you is that you go first in the automatic charge, that the battery is really full, and then go in the reconditioning mode to bring her up to her highest capacity that she can provide. To go out of that battery repair mode, you click again the recondition and button, and then she goes back, and now we see we are on 90% capacity, 12.9 volts, and when we go on charge again, she will go in auto charge and charge the battery. When the battery is full, she will go back in trickle charge, and we have a nice floating voltage. So to wrap up that review, I have this battery charger since more than 5 years. It's working flawlessness. I have all the functions that I need for a standard battery in a tractor, in a lawnmower, in a car. I have batteries that are standard, LED batteries. I have the AGMs, the shell mates, and I also use all the time the winter mode when it's cold. Then I can recondition old batteries, or I can temporarily, so every 3 months, recondition a normal battery that I have in use. I have the 3 modes. I can trickle charge, so I can put it on and forget. When I need a quick charge, I go on 8 amps. When I need a boost charge, I go on 15 amps. So it's very versatile in a small unit. It has a cooler that will then start blowing when it gets too hot, so you will not destroy it in a normal use. And for 60-70 bucks, it's a really nice tool equipment here in my shop. When I compare to the other Viking series, the 6 to 12 volt 4 amp that you can put direct on a tractor or so, and then you hardwire it direct to the battery and then only connect the power plug when you need. I did not have very good luck with them. I think that there are small power fluctuations from the grid when there's a lightning strike or something. They broke on me very much. I think that's number 5 that I have now. And so I changed to another product, to another manufacturer on them. But the bigger one, Viking system, this automatic battery charger, boost up to 15 amp. That was a good choice, and it's still working strong. So I hope that the quick review helped you to get a good informed decision if you are looking for a battery charger like that. And at Harbor Freight you will always have these discount days that you have 10% up to 20% off. So that would be a good deal then to put one of these items in your equipment at your shop. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.